Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Dababy's Rockstar on guitar. We will begin by learning the 4 core chord shapes that form the foundation of the song. Next, we'll dive into the main fingerpicking pattern, which repeats throughout most of the track. Finally, we'll cover the simpler strumming approach used for the intro and outro sections. Remember to take your time and practice each part slowly to achieve a smooth, confident performance. The heart of Rockstar lies in just 4 chords: G sharp minor, B major, F sharp major, and E major. Many guitarists play these as D-shaped formations higher up the neck. For example, the G sharp minor can be found with your first finger on the 6th fret of the D string. Mastering these shapes and smooth transitions between them is crucial for playing the song accurately and musically. The main body of the song features a distinct fingerpicking pattern. You'll typically use your thumb for the D string, your index finger for the G string, and your middle finger for the high E string. The pattern is a simple D-G-E sequence, repeated for each of the 4 chords. It's important to practice this slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly and your rhythm is steady before increasing your speed. For the intro and outro of Rockstar, the approach is a bit simpler. You'll perform a single downstrum for each of the 4 chords. Focus on strumming from the D string downwards, hitting the D, G, and high E strings. Play through the entire 4-chord progression twice for the intro, and then repeat that same 2-time progression for the outro. This sets the stage before transitioning into the faster fingerpicking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.